आल्बर्ट बाब, फाटल्या कितले दीस जाले तुमी ह्या विशय न्यू बोरी ब्रिजाचो घेतलेलो, आतां खूंय पावला तुमचो विशय कित्याक?
वॉट एवर दॅट इज आमचो एक मिसाल सो एक एग्जाम्पल. आमी रस्त्यार येवंक ना कांयच ना, पूण आमी लिगली सिस्टमाक फायट केल्या रायट फ्रॉम डे वन. पयले आमी एक्विजिशनाचेर आल्तीन वचोन चीफ इंजिनियराक मेळ्ळे, लँड एक्विजिशन ऑफिसराक मेळ्ळे. फायनली आमकां कांय जावंक ना, ऑब्जेक्शन आमची भायर उडयली. आमी एनजीडीन गेले. एनजीडीन आमकां सांगलें कॅटेगरिकली दॅट एज फार एज युअर लँड एक्विजिशन इज कन्सर्न यू वील हॅव टू गो टू द हायकोर्ट. We filed in the High Court also, and we are very fortunate that we have on our panel even Mr. Akash Rebolo, son of retired High Court Judge of Allahabad, Kodina Rebolo son. He is also appearing for us. We are in safe hands. Unfortunately, what is happening is that nobody wants to give a reply. First in NGT they said their lawyer is sick, they are appointing the next lawyer, and then everybody almost pushed the onus on the other person, and it is going on. Now March is given another date for us. As far as High Court is concerned, we have made CZME even responsible to answer. So we have taken out because they have made themselves clear. Now over here PWD, the pressure is on PWD to finalize what exactly it is. In between, instead of going ahead or saying anything, they went to acquire more land.
Correct.
They acquired more land, around say 15,000 on our Lutuni side, and the rest is on Buri side, maybe 21,000, whatever it is. So it is all a confusion what exactly it is. Where the bridge is going to go, which side it is going to go.
You all don't know.
We all don't know. And the problem is that we are fighting our issue on the Khazan. And even for our Gram Sabha, we made it clear what is going to happen if that bridge comes up, even on steel. It is not only the bridge part of it. See, our Chief Minister has been very kind enough to give clarification that once the bridge comes out, it is not only coal. They were accusing that coal will go. He said not only coal, means coal also is there. Now what happens is that we have seen all over, wherever the coal transportation goes on, there are chunks of this coal, if they fall into a Khazan, it's a wetland, they will spread all over. Forget within 3 years, the Khazan, fertile Khazan, what we have maintained precisely, will be totally destroyed. The pisciculture will be destroyed, and it will be a barren land again. Then I don't know whose hands it will go. So we are fighting the issue, and we will not stop till the last, because what happens is that we are not going to get another Khazan again. There is another good news now that Goa government has come out with a Khazan policy they are trying to come out with. Mr. Wagh gave a thing for media, that Gaonkari system, that yes, they are going to make a board, Khazan board. Very nice. One side you are coming out and saying that we want to protect the Khazan. Second way you are trying to process the bridge. Anyway, temporarily it is there where it is. Then there are many issues.
म्हटला सगळे आनी फाटल्या दिसांनी WRD मिनिस्टर म्हटलेले 3 म्हयन्यांनी फावंडेशन स्टोन घालूंक शकता. सो तुमकांच खबर ना अजुनी ब्रिज खंय येता, कसलो ब्रिज येता, जाल्यार कशें जातलें मागीर तर?
सी WRD मिनिस्टरान 1-2 फावटी पळय आपलो इंटरव्यू दिवन कितें सांगलां, तें डिस्टर्बन्स जाता एक्चुअली. Actually, there is nothing happening because High Court has given the last verdict saying that if you are trying to do anything for that bridge there, High Court has to be informed. It is as good as temporary stay. Stay is not given, but they have been
So High
told.
Court has said, inform us before you whatever you all are doing.
Yes, you have to inform. As good as stay. And until and all these CRZ and all these notifications, what you have EIA and all that, they cannot go ahead. But what happens is that sword is still hanging on us. The sword is still hanging on us. Until the acquisition is dropped, then only it will be clear. Yes, road up till on top, near the petrol pump on top, it is always broad, it's complete. Now the baby is from where it will go. There's a road which goes to the old bridge, or the new alignment to the Khazan, and there is new acquiring. So it is all a question mark, there's nothing clear.
So still you all are not aware बाबा खंय येतलो आनी कित्याक कसलो येतलो तो?
Till today, whatever that they have been doing, we have been never taken into confidence, never been informed. Forget a tenant association, the farmers, even the panchayat is not been informed. So nobody knows what exactly, and this is the real problem. If people are taken into confidence, now there will be no conflict between government and people. Actually, this is the problem. Otherwise, there is a lot of progress from this government.
मागीर आनी एडिशनल लँड कित्याक तर तें अजुनी तुमकां कांयच खबर ना जाल्यार?
additional land, actually 12,000 square meter of land was actually Kumnidar land. It was acquired by IDC. From IDC they have acquired it now. IDC might have not filed any objection.
बट वाय तुमकां अजूनही काहीच खबर ना जाल्यार एडिशनल लँड कित्याक?
Even one of our farmers, some 5,500 square meters some land is going there, Cesar Suarez. Even he has not been informed. Now where is the alignment? Which side it is going? And nobody knows.
सो जस्ट टेल अस वन थिंग, लोकल्स लोतोलीचे लोकल हो फावंडेशन स्टोन घालपाक दितले काय खबर ना जाल्यार तुमकां?
No. Each and every farmer, we will stand by their field. Last time, when there were attempt made, everybody, old, young, ladies, gents, even the children from school, they came and they stood by their field because they are not going to get this Kazan back again. I may be fighting as a chairman, leading them and all that, but tomorrow I may not be there. But they will stand by their Kazan. That is 101%. Everybody will stand by. So some solution they have to take out. They can't march over the Kazan.
So government is not yet clear exactly how this bridge will come, where this bridge will come, on what it will come.
Unfortunately, even the consultants what they took were not local Goans. They are from Maharashtra. And for them, it PWD showed this is the shortest route. And it is, as far as the expenses control, construction will be less. But these are not the reasons, no. Anything which is short make.
So how long you all will wait? तुम्ही कितला तेंप रावतले आता बाबा इश्यूचे सारखे कितें सांगता सांग?
They are. It is on paper. It is in the court. Government also, PWD. Nobody is disturbing us. No, nobody is disturbing us. We will carry on agriculture, pisciculture. That will go on. Now when it comes there on that level, people will unite together. Back again.
So disturb करना तेन्ना सांग तुम्ही उगी डिस्टर्ब करूंक लागले जाल्यार तुम्ही?
No, but yeah, simultaneously we are in NGT and in High Court. We have not kept quiet. It
So your matter
government-
is still in the court.
It is government who is seeking time. We want to take another lawyer. We want to study the situation. So it is going on. The delay is from their side.
And at the moment it is like as high as a stay High Court where High Court
It
has
is
said.
almost as good as the court have told them that if you want to do anything over that, the court has to be informed.
Thank you.
This is where exactly we stand today.